Hello everyone, myself Sunish. I'm student counselor at Seco International Consultancy Company. Welcome back. Today I'm going to discuss about the top reasons to study in Canada or why to choose Canada as your dream destination or for higher studies. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Every year, the Canadian government accepts or invites more than 3 lakh immigrants from different nations. 3 lakh immigrants from different nations. Can you imagine? So, opportunities are more in Canada. Colleges and universities in Canada are considered to be the best in the world. Best in the world. Because the qualifications that you receive there is the best. I mean, wherever you go, the certificates that you acquire from Canada will be accepted, globally accepted. You will be treated well and you will also get jobs quickly too. 90% of the college graduates find employment within 6 months of their graduations, within 6 months. But when we compare with other countries as well as our country, the case is quite different. So, job acquirance is also quick in Canada. It is a world leader in aerospace, pharmaceuticals, telecommunication, biotechnology, collaborative research and development. So, all those students who wants to pursue their careers in those fields, it is the best choice for them. One of the most industrialized countries in the world, especially provinces like Quebec and Ontario, where plenty of industries are available. So because of that main reasons, job opportunities are also more and Indian students opt for those provinces because they want to learn, live and work. Because of that reason, those provinces are known to be the best destination to learn, live and work. Indians are currently considered to be the largest source of immigrants to Canada because Canada is considered to be the land of immigrants. Because of that reason, they invite more than 3 lakh immigrants. So that's why. Qualifications valued around the world. Like I said earlier, your certificate will be accepted, you will be treated well, you will get jobs quickly too. It offers the opportunity to access the world-class education with affordable tuition fees. I mean, the course will be with full quality. Standardized course or programs will be available. Colleges and universities will be the best in the world. And with affordable tuition fees. So when we compare with other countries like UK, US, Germany, France, Italy, tuition fees is quite less in Canada. So it is one of the best. So that is why it is the best destination for higher studies. Paid internships while studying. For example, courses like cooperative programs. Actually, it is called as internship programs, with or without payment. So that is another benefit of studying in Canada. Post-study work visa and good job opportunities after completing the course. Within 6 months of graduation, a student can get job. Like I said earlier, 90% of the college graduates find employment within 6 months of their graduation. Within 6 months. So post-study work visa is more. And good job opportunities are also more. Possibility of PR, such as permanent residency. Like if a student complete the course and if he pass and if he gets the certificate, then if he or she gets jobs within 2 to 3 months, during his stay back period, if he gets jobs within 2 to 3 months, then he can apply for PR after getting the work permit. It is the eligibility to apply for the PR. Work permit is the eligibility criteria for applying for PR, such as permanent residency. And within 1 to 2 years, he or she can acquire PR. And after getting the PR, he or she can also apply for citizenship. So PR possibilities are more in Canada. So these are the important reasons why students needs to do their higher studies in Canada. Like other countries, possibilities are more, opportunities are more. So I would like to say only one thing to every students around the world, that don't wait, apply now. Thank you.